Okay, following up our month-end DSCR loan update for November 2022, I just wanted to address a very common question that we're getting from real estate investors, specifically rental property investors. And that's, hey, I see interest rates are coming down. The 30-year conventional fixed rate mortgage is down in the 6% range firmly. The underlying benchmark rates for treasuries are down quite a bit. What's going on with DSCR loans? And that's a great question. So the answer is that the DSCR market is very different than the conventional fixed rate mortgage market. Investors who buy DSCR loans, let's say credit funds, insurance companies, wealth managers, they are, they have a certain risk appetite, and they're concerned right now that people who don't live in a property, a rental investor, might have a hard time staying current on mortgage payments in the event the economy continues to deteriorate and home prices go down. So what we're seeing is investors are demanding lower leverage, so 70% on a cash out instead of 75%. 75% on a purchase instead of 80%. And then these investors want to be compensated for the higher perceived risk. And this ultimately is directly correlated with uncertainty. There's a lot of uncertainty right now in the economy. So a capital provider wants to be compensated for that uncertainty, for the possible increase in default risk. Now, going one step further to really help you understand the DSCR market, there are capital providers who don't intend to hold on to these loans in their own portfolio, and they intend to then sell the properties, sell the loans in a larger securitization. And so while they're holding on to the loans, they're afraid that interest rates might spike again, or that ultimately these institutional investors that they're selling these loans to may stop buying. So what do? They charge a higher interest rate. So as you're seeing interest rates more broadly come down, which is, frankly, a very welcomed good sign, we're unfortunately seeing DSCR loan interest rates stay stubbornly elevated and in certain cases actually increase slightly over the last few weeks. So, for up-to-date DSCR market insight, go to offermarket.us. You can check out our DSCR loan index. If you're in the market right now and you need a time-sensitive financing, either a cash-out refi or your next rental purchase, you can get a quote from OfferMarket at offermarket.us/loans, or just click the loans button on our homepage. We'd love to be your lender, and we're always available to help if you need anything. Please like this video, add a question in the comments section, and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. Thanks so much and have a great day, and happy holidays.